Hello everybody, my name is Luis and let's talk about the AppLoader plugin and how it works with events in Revit API and the debug modes in Visual Studio. I already have a plugin created with the plugin, and if I build this, it's gonna appear in my ribbon in there on the fly. I can change the name, of course, like should be, and I'm gonna add some events in my external application. So let's create some events that's gonna be fun. Gonna create the application dot controller application dot document change is fun to show. I'm gonna create something like this. Let's remove this. Let's put in like so. And always when I create an event in Revit, I always need to remove on the end when my application finishes. So I'm gonna copy this and put in here in the shutdown. So I'm gonna put like a minus. I already set up, and I'm gonna put some console in here. Gonna be easy. Something like let's control and click in here so I can check out what having there. So I have the documents, the add elements, the modify elements, and the delete elements ID, and the name of the transactions. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. Gonna be more interesting. So I'm gonna put something like a for each, something like this should work. Items. I forget the E in front. So something like this gonna work. If I go in my Revit and I already have opened my console here, yep, can open in there. And if I create something in my project, gonna appear in my, that's interesting, setup walls tool, interesting, and gonna appear in there what's the name of the transaction, and I can go in here, I can check out what's going on in there. That's cool. And I can check the element IDs and other interesting stuff. Let's show the element ID. E.modify, for example, and let's string dot join, yeah, and let's put something like this. Yeah, let's remove this, I don't want anymore. Let's build again, and every time I change something in my document, that event gonna get triggered and gonna show the ID of the element I change. Yeah, if I copy, probably it's not gonna appear in there. Yeah, I need to set the other one. Let's add that again. The gets adds element ID, and let's put something in front. Something like this gonna work here, and this is the ads, and this one, let's delete this. Let's add something like this. This is the modify elements. This is the delete elements. Something like this gonna work better. Let's delete that, and if I delete this, gonna appear the ID of the element I delete in my documents. If I create a new thing, gonna appear in here. I don't know what is this for. Wall line, that's interesting, but it's triggering something. If I change something in here, of course, the comments here and apply, gonna appear in there as well. Cool, everything is working. And of course, if I remove this and build again, and if I move that, not gonna trigger the event because I did not add in here, but I always removing in the ends of my application. That's important. If I not remove, it's gonna stay in there forever. Actually, if I close my Revit and open again, I'm gonna not have the events sign or subscribed. So other thing is nice to share. If I can add some debug debug modes. So here in my Revit, in my project, I have other versions in the template available. If I go in my debug mode in 2021 and run this in the start debug, right? I'm gonna open a new Revit in my machine, right? And gonna run this application as well. And of course, if when something changes in my document, gonna trigger this because I set up with my application. I press F9 here, so I can add and remove like this. And let's wait my Revit to open this one. It's kinda doing the thing. Let's open a new document, a new project, just to show. And I can, if I create something, yeah, actually I just open my and trigger already. That's interesting. I can continue like so, and my Revit is still continuing here. So I can create that and gonna trigger again. I can check out what's going on. Yeah, I can continue. And let's close that. That's interesting, this event, but okay. I can change this and let's put something like comments or like this video. Yeah. So we're gonna trigger again here. Yeah, everything is working. I can remove this by pressing F9 and can continue my tests with the debug mods on. So yeah, basically that's it. And I can go in my, where is it? I can go in here, of course. I can put F9 in here. Doesn't work. F9. Yeah, here. F9 here in this line. And I can execute this command and gonna trigger as well in there. So yeah, basically how the debug mode works with the plugin. So that's cool, works as well. But I usually works with my Revit open, and if I need something more with the debug, of course, I can use as well. And that's really cool. So if you like this video, don't forget to give that a thumbs up. And if you are interested in this plugin, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.